Readers, discover your summertime reading and score a COVID-19 vaccine all at the same time. Today's grand opening of the Eureka Hills Library doubles as a vaccine clinic. Shots will be distributed until 6 o'clock. Walk-ups are allowed. Kids as young as 12 can get the Pfizer vaccine with a consent form signed by a parent or guardian. And you don't need to show any health insurance or proof of residency. Appointments for second shots will be scheduled today for a later date. In St. Louis City, the FEMA vaccine clinic at the Dome is now closed, and we're getting a look at just how many shots they administered. As of last Thursday, 44,000 shots were given over the 8-week clinic. That's about 35% of what they originally expected to give out. The leftover doses are being redistributed to other clinics in our area.
And Moderna is seeking full FDA approval for its COVID vaccine. Right now, the shot is only authorized for emergency use. Pfizer has already applied for the status. So let's break down the process. Moderna needs to submit its most recent analysis on its phase 3 clinical trial, which found that its vaccine is effective up to 6 months after the second dose. The company has asked the FDA to fast track its application to 6 months instead of the usual 10 months. So it might be some time before we hear from the FDA.
My advice would be to just look at how successful the vaccine has been. We still are seeing patients that are coming in with COVID, with severe disease, that have not vaccinated. And, it's a severe and terrible disease.
Moderna is asking for full approval for people 18 years of age and older, not for children 12 and up.
All right, this is pretty neat. Anheuser-Busch is backing President Biden's plan to reach his vaccination goal. If 70% of all U.S. adults have at least one shot by July 4th, AB is giving away alcohol.
Say what?
All right, all you have to do is post a picture at your favorite bar or restaurant, and you can enter to win your next round for free. How does that sound?
Well, sounds pretty good, actually, even though it's 10 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, right. Okay, well, we're almost to the weekend.
That's right.
Anyways, for more information on the COVID vaccine and to find the nearest clinic to you, text the word vaccine to 314-425-5355. By the way, this is a new number and a text-only line. Again, right there on your screen, 314-425-5355.